how many people can you get on a bamboo raft on the River Kwai? We're going to find out very, very soon. Okay, last chance, last chance. Does anybody, ladies, would you like to come in? No? Definitely not, okay. All right. Whoa! Oh my god! Look! Oh my god! Crocodile!
The island
That's a
people
crocodile.
send you the message through the bottle.
That's a crocodile. This. Now you have to jump across, I reckon.
Yes.
Look at this. Eh? Whoa! Bloody hell. What? Whoa, be careful. Bloody hell. I don't know what he's trying to do. Are they jumping across? Oh! Oh my god. Look! I think I might need some help. Good afternoon world, Jim Anderson Thailand here, thanks for tuning in. So what is happening? So here we are, this is Kanchanaburi. We are just leaving these grand waterfalls that were seen in the last film. So the plan is, yes, we've got a plan, we're going to pick a car up now and we're going to explore the locality for the next 24 hours. So that is the plan. So this is our hire car. So I think it's about 2,500. So it's quite big, 7-seater. So the first thing we do, folks, is we video, just make sure any damage. Yes, love? There we go, that Nook's on the ball. There we go. Because obviously we're paying a deposit here and I don't want to lose any money, but yeah, loads of space, ideal for our stuff. And yeah, we'll give this a good check over first, I think. We'll just see, we'll just play the video back. I was more concerned about this one down here because this was all hanging out. I've just pushed that back in. So yeah, you've got to be so careful out here, folks. Right on the River Kwai. Price, I'm going to have to check with Nook what price we paid because I can't remember. But basically, I've got 1 hour get my act together because I'm going rafting in the river there with Sue and some of the hotel staff are going to take us. So yeah, it's lovely, didn't it? Wow, this is big. Oh my god. Look, how much did we pay for this? Wow. Oh, 4,000 baht, so £100. So this should be very, very good. It's really warm in here, isn't it? So I'm just trying to work out the aircon there. Got any lights? Oh yeah, this is really big. Right, so I'm going to get some scran quickly because I've not eaten all day. And then we are going rafting, bamboo rafting. So I can order my food from that menu there. Wow, I like it, Nook. I like it. Tea and coffee there. Yeah, I do. Can you just put the toilet light on, love, for us, please? Because my hands are full. So that's the bathroom in there. Let's have a look at it. Bom, bom, bom. Oh, that's big, isn't it? Da-da! Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, super duper, yeah, that's right, isn't it? It's all there, isn't it? Wow. So there you go, 4,000 baht. This is what 4,000 baht gets you, £100. Yeah. And the best part, oh my god. There you go. How's that open? I'll tell you what, that current's certainly moving out there, isn't it? Look at that current. Da-da! Oh, lovely. Lovely. I know, I just want to jump in it. I seriously want to just jump in this, but I don't know where I'd end up. Because look at that current. Look at it. Oh. Wow. Yeah. So I guess if you go for a swim here, folks, you could end up a fair distance down there. Look at that. That's that current. Chris, look at the current out here. I know, it's lovely, isn't it? Imagine falling in there, Sue. Where would you end up? It'd be miles down the road, wouldn't it? Down the river, rather. No, I'm going to go, but I'm not swimming. There's no way I'm swimming. I'm just going to go do the rafting and that's it, really.
Can't swim in there anyway.
It'll be a bit tight. Oh my God, crocodile.
The island
That's a
people
crocodile.
send you the message through the bottle.
That's a crocodile.
Someone
No.
need help, but you think it's the rubbish.
I know. There you go. Wow. Anyway, cheers, big ears. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, big ears. And if you stay here, you've also got this awesome view. It's Nook. No, it's not Nook. No, what's the view like up here? Oh my gosh, it's stunning, isn't it? Wow. I like it, Mikey. I love it. I don't just like it, I love it. Oh, look at that. Right. So I wonder how many rooms there are here. Maybe 10? Probably 10, isn't it, really? 10 floating houses.
They also have other houses that not on the
Right.
not by the river.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, Cap. Right. So we're in the right place. So I guess we get this little raft here. There's the big bamboo rafts there. They're absolutely massive. So Nook's going to come, so I'm really pleased about that. And there's not that many people here, but what an opportunity to miss. Looks absolutely awesome, doesn't it? I reckon we are going to just fly down there, folks. I really do. Really looking forward to this. Wow. How many people can you get on a bamboo raft on the River Kwai? We're going to find out very, very soon, folks. Because there's quite a few people here. Look. Oh, wow. I'm thinking we're going to have 2 or 3 rafts here. And look at that current, look at that. It's building up now. We are going to fly down there. So that's good to see. Good to see, isn't it? I had visions of everybody being on like just one small raft like that. There's quite a few people here. Must be about 20 people here. And look, surprise, surprise, the last person to arrive, Madame Nook. Oh my. So if you stay at this resort, this activity is free, folks. That's all right, isn't it? Not bad at all. But I guess when you're paying 4,000 or 5,000 baht a night, it should be free, shouldn't it, really? But yeah, there's about 20 people here. Looks like 6 people per raft, something like that. I think what's going to happen, he's going to tow us for about 20 minutes up the river, and then he's going to release us and we're just going to come back with the current. I think that's what's going to happen. If I was a betting man, we'll have a guy with us steering the bamboo raft. I think that's what's going to happen. There he goes there, look. Untying. Wow. I hope you can row. You can row, yeah? I hope so. Bye. Right, enjoy. Good luck.
Okay.
We'll see you later for a beer.
Cheers.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Be careful. Oh my God, look at this, folks. This is all action here on the River Kwai. There she goes. Any minute now. Okay. There we go. Bon voyage. Bye. There we go. Bye. Enjoy. Enjoy. See you at the end for a beer. There we go. Woo. Are you sure? Okay, last chance. Last chance. Does anybody, ladies, would you like to come in? No? Definitely not. Okay. All right. Woo. Whoa. Oh my God. I'll see you down the bottom. Okay. Okay.
Fine.
I thought the current was really quite strong actually. It's not too bad. There's no crocodiles in here, is there? Crocodiles?
มีจระเข้ไหมคะ
ไม่มีครับ
No
Snakes?
มีงูไหมคะ
อ๋อในน้ำก็ไม่มี
No snakes
Is there anything that can eat me in here?
มีอันสัตว์อันตรายอะไรไหมคะ
อ๋อไม่มีครับ
No?
ไม่
Okay,
มี
we're safe.
No
We're safe. Good. Actually, it's not too bad. Wow, now this is speeding up now. I can feel it. I know when we get to the bend, this river, oh wow, this is really moving now. So I'm thinking, oh my God, look at the distance from the raft. I don't want to get too far. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is mental. Now this is really speeding up. So right, I'm going to try and just show you how hard it is to get back to this boat. I'm not moving at all. I'm swimming, okay, one hand, and I'm not going anywhere. So you can see how people get into trouble with these currents and tides and stuff. Oh wow. So he's going over there and I'm getting dragged over here now a little bit. Oh look, I can see a duck over there or something. Wow. Yeah, I think I need to get a bit over that side. Let's swim. It's okay, I'm all right. I think I'm all right. He's telling me to come in now because it's dangerous. Huh? Okay, I'm coming in now. Wow, that was great fun. Thank you. There we go. Thank you. Wow. Oh, that was hard work at the end. Thank you. Okay, thanks, Sonny. Thank you. Is it taping? Huh? I don't know what happened. It got really weary at the end. I was getting dragged. Is it taping? I was getting dragged over to the left there. Yeah, it was getting really weary.
Is that what happened to you?
Yes, it was, yeah. And you could see I was working quite hard. So this is where it's going to get really fast now. So you can see how fast now this is really speeding up. I actually think if I was kind of around this area here, this is on the bend, I think I would freak out a little bit here. This is a bit gnarly. It doesn't look very nice at all, to be honest. Just flowing so fast. But yeah. What's your room number, love? Here we go, door-to-door service. Look at this. Now you have to jump across, I reckon.
Yes.
Look at this. Eh? Oi. Bloody hell. What? Whoa, be careful. Bloody hell. I don't know what he's trying to do. Are they jumping across? Oh, God. Oh my god. We've got some boat drama going on here. Wow, that was a bad landing, wasn't it? Oh.
No one get hurt, right?
I don't think that went as planned, did it? No, it didn't go as planned, that. Wow, but I'm not surprised. This current is really gnarly. Good start. We're jumping off now? Okay. Well, this is where I fall in now. Oh, look. Can I help you? Darling? Oh, you did it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Captain Crab. Thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. That's really good. I'm good with that.